We're now 4 weeks away from the beginning of the exams. This is now a really good time to get stuck into your study and to address any pain points you've had this far. It's also a really good time to revisit any notes you've created throughout the year and to look at some topics again that you probably don't want to, but they're important for your externals. First of all, make sure you have a good studying environment. Get rid of any distractions, such as your phone or any siblings. And make sure that the people around you know that you're in an environment that you need to stay focused and that you're in do not disturb mode. Secondly, use good resources that get you exactly where you need to be. You could use your class notes, online resources, or our study time workbooks or walkthrough guides. Good resources make studying easier and more straightforward. Something else you can do is to create good habits for yourself. If you haven't already seen last week's video on how to make a good study plan, check that out and see what works best for you. Another thing you can do is to get amongst. Try study group sessions with your friends. And I know that sometimes things aren't always super effective during these, but it's better than nothing. And at least you won't be FOMOing. Is it how the kids say it? FOMO? One of the hardest parts about studying is starting. Make a list of things you want to achieve and seriously, just pick any of them and start, whether it's small or big. Studying is sort of like going to the gym, where the hardest part is showing up. Just remember, think about the future gain that you'll achieve and get amongst.
How does that make you feel, Kira?
Just a bit bullied, really. Sorry, I can't do this.